Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to view all network shares on Windows 10. Type fsmgmt.msc in Windows search bar. Click fsmgmt.msc. Click Shares to view all network shares. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.